What up, dudes and dudettes? Today we're going to be unboxing the Perry Ellis portfolio. This is seriously swag material. Huge shout out to the user, which I cannot disclose due to his privacy, but he wanted me to unbox this specific sleepwear. So let's go ahead and unbox it, guys. So as you can see here, it is Perry Ellis portfolio. The only thing I don't know nothing about this, so we're about to learn something about Perry Ellis, but the only thing I know from Destiny 2 is Borealis. So as you can see, we have the box here. I guess Perry Ellis, for me, it stands for like physical education. That's the first thing that I saw when I received this item. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. All right, so I do like this material. Guys, whenever you plan on selling things, if you are into, like, you want to start your own business company, the quality of the product will determine, and the materials is just an FYI. So we got these shorts right here. Ooh, they're pretty silky smooth, by the way. We got the little shoe strand with Perry Ellis on it that you'll know when you're rocking it and someone pulls your string, like, yo, what's this? And then, they'll see it and stuff. So that's kind of cool. The shorts, how they're advertised on here, that's pretty awesome. You know that this is like actually craftsmanship. This I don't think a machine will actually do this. I think this is manually folded. So if Perry Ellis uses this kind of material. Oh, by the way, yeah, the box in the back, it shows like a little hole that you can't see it, but there's like a hole in here. I'll show you in a bit. So we got this going on right here. Perry Ellis, man, this is soft material, yo. This, and we can see here there is a cardboard holding it to making sure that, oh, this is the hole, guys, in case that way you can feel the back side of the shirt and the shorts, that way you'll know. And back here we got the sleepwear set. So it's basically what we got: sleep set, 100 polyester, heather, 100, what you want to call it, like this colors, none chlorine bleach. So we got the basic material of how to properly wash this kind. Because me, I just like to throw in my stuff in the washer and let it dry. And this is so much swag right here. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and I guess get the pants off. So the pants are right here, basically. Yeah, I really love that they're folded all together. This material right here, you can see like the see-through. I don't know if you can't see it, but yeah, you can slightly see the see-through of it if you see the back. So this will be great comfort for walking around the house, or simply like going out. Let's check if there's pockets. There is pockets. Nice. So we have the pockets right here. This helps a lot in case, put your phone, AirPods, going for a walk. I believe that even though this is a sleepwear, I believe like this kind of stuff you can go out to the park and use and stuff. Plus, it's really thin. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox the shirt. I'm sorry if you can't see it, but yeah, we just unboxed the shirt. It's pretty sweet. I like the color. It's like a bloody Valentine color. And it's right here we have Perry Ellis portfolio, extra large, extra grande, made in China, hecho in China. And then we got the little box. So yeah, guys, this is basically it. This is a Perry Ellis portfolio. I'll try it on, regardless of the size. Either way, I like getting like large, extra large sweaters, because it all depends on the material. Every type of material that we see when it comes to clothes, guys, it all depends where it's manufactured. Sometimes a small could be a medium, or actually no, I'm sorry, a small could be like a used small. Sometimes a medium could be a small, and sometimes a large could be a medium, and sometimes an extra large can be a large. So it all depends on the content and the warehouse that's where they develop this. I'm sorry, did I say develop? Oh my gosh, we're talking game nonsense now. It all depends where it's manufactured and how the material they use. That's when it comes to the real showdown. So once again, guys, this is a Perry Ellis sleepwear set. Let me just get a little shot of here. Perry Ellis portfolio. If you guys want to leave a comment and say, hey, how does it feel? How like, I'll wear it for a week whenever I go to sleep. Did I just rhyme? Wow. Yeah, and I'll just leave a comment down below letting us know, hey, was it soft? How long did it last you? feel free to keep commenting on this, get back to it, for pushing an update and how I've been wearing this. Other than that, guys, thank you so much to the user that sent me this to unbox and I guess have an early Valentine gift. Ha! All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Remember, leave a comment down below.